Did you ever get annoyed by how Unity interrupts your workflow with this compilation pop-up every time you change a line of code and come back to the editor? Let me share a simple script with you that will make Unity compile your code only when you enter play mode, allowing you to have fewer interruptions and a better workflow. Imagine you're working on a project, experimenting with objects in Unity, and then you go and make some changes to your code. By default, when you return to Unity, you'll find that you can't click on anything. The entire window is blocked by this pop-up, which is quite inconvenient. Just when the pop-up disappears, it hits you with a second pop-up. And of course, when you want to playtest your game, there it is again, another interruption. Keep in mind that this recording is sped up. In reality, it wastes a lot more time. Now, here's the alternative I came up with. I disabled auto refresh so it only compiles scripts when I press the play button to test the game. Aside from eliminating annoying workflow interruptions, it also takes much less time to compile for me. Let me show you how to set this up. First, you need to create an editor folder anywhere in your project. Next, create a new C# script in this folder and name it Refresh Assets on Play. This script will trigger the asset refresh process when you click play in Unity. Now double-click the script to open it and paste the code from the URL in the video description. Now let's return to Unity. In the top menu, select Edit, then Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, click on Asset Pipeline and switch Auto Refresh to Disabled. If you're using older versions of Unity, Auto Refresh is located in the General category. Keep in mind that now the changes you make to the code are only refreshed when you press play. Sometimes you may want to trigger Asset Refresh manually by pressing Ctrl-R or Command-R, for example when you've added serialized fields and want them to appear in the inspector immediately. Thanks for watching. I hope you will enjoy this little improvement.